Ukrainian hackers are jailbreaking American farm equipment. And it's completely legal. A desperate Iowa farmer just paid $3,000 to digital pirates because John Deere locked him out of his own $500,000 tractor. Here's the insane part. John Deere forces farmers to wait 3 weeks for authorized repairs while crops rot in fields. 1 day of downtime costs $30,000 in lost harvest. So farmers turn to Ukrainian hackers who crack tractor software in hours, not weeks. John Deere is absolutely furious. They're losing millions from their repair monopoly. But this goes way deeper than farming. Every device you own, your phone, car, laptop, uses the same digital locks. These desperate farmers turned digital pirates just declared a war on a $50 billion industry that wants to control everything you buy. And they're winning.